This is my first 3D print from my Elegant Neptune 4 Plus printer. So here is a x-axis layer is very smooth. Here is a y-axis. It looks pretty good. Here is the corners and everything is very good. Here is the top layer, not rough. It's very good. Also, g-axis is not visible there. So overall print is very good. And